Hey, we're back, folks. Check this out. Jeep Liberty Sport with a Skyroof. Two-owner, over 25 dealer service records. Factory trailer tow pack, 3.7-liter V6 motor, alloy wheels, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, auxiliary line in. No accidents, no paint work, right off the front line of a local Chevrolet dealer. The car is absolutely new inside and out, folks. Brand new tires, like new brakes, no issues with this vehicle. Drives out 110%. Service contracts included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Guaranteed credit approval is going to be available on this vehicle, and a starting down payment is going to be around $795. This is the vehicle, this is the price. That's Cleveland.